I want to show you what stitch positioning is. I'm currently set up in a zigzag stitch. The width is the default, so I've got a width of 3.0, I've got a length of 4.0, and the machine is set for the beginning of the stitch sequence, and you can see the position of the needle here. The little red dot on the foot is telling me that this is where the center of the stitch is. So half of the stitch will fall to the left of the red dot and the other half will fall to the right of the left dot. But let's say that I want to use that red dot as my guide, and I'd like that little red dot to ride along the edge of the fabric. So I can go into my Alt menu, which will allow me to move the needle position. So I can move it to the left, and you can see what's happened is it's beeped. It's telling me that I can't go any further to the left with that needle. And now I can take it to the right. And it's, again, I get a beep saying that this is as far to the right that I can go with that stitch. I want the needle in the rightmost position to be lined up with that little red dot to use as a guide. And I've accomplished that. So now I'm ready to use the red dot as a guide when I'm doing my zigzag stitch. This can be applied to a number of stitches. The number of positions that you can move the stitch left or right is dependent on the width of the stitch that you currently have set up.